Hi and welcome back. So in this one we are going to explore how to train your eye to recognize too much of a good thing. This little arrangement is attractive, has lots of open space so you can enjoy the flowers, and is a combination of white and yellow alstroemeria and yellow daylilies. So it's in a very bright and cheerful orange pot that sets off the colors very well. But let's see how we can make it even better. Here, some little green chrysanthemums are added, and that brightness helps fill up the space and unify the display. Little sprigs of yellow limonium help fill in the gaps and again bring a feeling of unity and balance to the piece. The addition of an iridescent butterfly adds some visual interest that you can't just do with flowers. Next, some baby's breath fills in the top and bottom, and then there's some greenery added. That's some arborvitae sprigs to again add fullness and make it a more complete display. But do you think the butterfly was too much? Do you think we should go back and just stick with the flowers? No, I think I like the butterfly. But that bow, that's over the edge. So I think that bow needs to come off, don't you? So that was a fun analysis. Let's do it again. So here's a simple and attractive arrangement of live, dried, and artificial elements. The large focal stem of pink flowers is artificial. The pink limonium is dried, the filler flower. The carnations are from our local supermarket, and the chrysanthemums and arborvitae are from my backyard. Do you think this asymmetry makes it more attractive or less attractive? If tidied up a bit, I think the asymmetry gives more interest. And then the addition of a head of kalanchoe before it's in full bloom helps draw the eye down and visually center the weight of the piece. Now some drama is introduced with some spear-shaped leaves from the yucca plant, again from the front yard. Here, pink gel beads are added to the water at the base to help stabilize the stems and bring more visual weight back down to the bottom without distracting from the flowers. A bow is added to soften the transition between the flowers and the base. A large rubber tree leaf is perched in the back to make more of a backdrop and to add some drama. One more yucca spike breaks up the line of the rubber leaf. Then baby's breath helps loosen the visually dense display. And then another leaf, this time from the spath houseplant, is brought in to offset the weight of the rubber tree leaf. What do you think? Have we gone too far? I think it's very attractive, but I'm fonder of this version. So it takes practice to determine when your piece is done. Don't be timid about trying elements, stepping back, looking at your display, letting them settle for a bit, and then try something else. It's also okay to take it completely apart and start over. It's not a failure, it's just a learning exercise. The flowers will guide themselves into place if you let them. So I hope you enjoy this segment and learn when enough is enough.